How do I connect my Xbox One to two TVs?
Hello there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a quite exciting topic. Have you ever thought about connecting your Xbox One to two TVs? Whether it's for a multiplayer gaming experience or just a way to expand your setup, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in.
Why connect Xbox One to two TVs?
Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why. There are several scenarios where you might want to connect your Xbox One to two TVs. Maybe you want to create an immersive gaming setup, or perhaps you want to play a game on one screen and stream media on the other. Or you might just want to ensure all friends in the room can see the action, regardless of where they're sitting.
What will you need?
For this setup, you'll need a few things: an Xbox One console, two TVs, two HDMI cables, a HDMI splitter. This device takes the HDMI output from your Xbox One and splits it to two outputs, which you can then connect to your TVs. Remember, the splitter should support the highest resolution you intend to use. For instance, if you want a game in 4K, make sure your splitter supports 4K.
Connecting the hardware.
1. Turn off your Xbox One and the TVs. This prevents any potential damage while connecting the devices. 2. Connect one end of the first HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on your Xbox One. 3. Connect the other end of the same HDMI cable to the input port of the HDMI splitter. 4. Connect the first end of the second HDMI cable to one of the output ports of the HDMI splitter. 5. Connect the other end of the second HDMI cable to the first TV. 6. Similarly, connect a third HDMI cable from the second output port on the splitter to your second TV. Now, your Xbox One is connected to both TVs via the HDMI splitter.
Power on and configure.
Once you have everything connected, power on your Xbox One and the TVs. You should see the same display from the Xbox One on both TVs. If you see any inconsistencies or have display issues, ensure the settings on your TVs match each other. For example, the input source on both TVs should be set to HDMI, and resolution settings should also be consistent. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Xbox One to two TVs. Now you can enjoy your gaming or media viewing experience on a whole new level. If you found this guide helpful, please feel free to share it with others. Keep exploring, and game on!